front of the room. Leading leg is behind. We're going to scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to swipe on 5, and the chest is going to react to that. So we swipe 5, 6, and then we pull our right arm up to this 45. Right, from here we can spin. 1, 2, 3, step down. 4, 5, 6, and we're shifting our weight to our right. So those first two sixes, we're going to step left, right, we swipe. When we step on the left, go to the second position. When we step on the right, to a Theresa position, we suspend. 1, 2, 3, turning over the right shoulder. We step down. 4, 5, 6. Right, we should be leaning away from that left leg. So the weight's in the right leg after that, the second position. From here, we lift up through a parallel attitude. Arms are just lifted, so don't think of hitting a specific shape. Just simply lift, and then we come back down. Right? This attitude is parallel, it's not turned out. So turn in that hip, you want the weight the weight on the right foot, top of the foot, and then you go to the back of the room. Then from here, when we fall down, you turn that back out into a classical one. Right? So weightlessness is going to be 1, 2, 3. Come down. Left hand is on our knee. We're going to backstroke. 4, 5, 6. The high point is going to be on 4. That is a straight leg and arabesque. Make sure you're not keeping the leg to the side. Your hips should be to the back 45, and that leg should go up behind you. Okay? So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, we're going to turn low. 1, 2, step through on 3. Now we're in the second position to the front. Body is hanging over, just weightlessness. From here we lift up. 4. Right? We're in attitude derriere. My right leg is pulling back my knee to help get that attitude up. My left arm is going across, so I see this shape here. The left arm is going to draw a circle. The circle is going to rotate to the left based on your orientation, and that knee is going to be pulling back, and then we go all the way down to the second position. Plie, facing the back, body is still contracted. The next six, we have a chasse. 1, 2, 3. Our body is still slightly contracted. We go up. 4, 5, 6, swing to the right. 1, 2, 3, swing to the left. Then we have a chaîné with a contraction. 4, 5, 6. It looks like a palm tree. Right? And you're looking at your feet. So you should be going through first position and releve, and the heels should be close, weight in the big toe. So those first 4 sixes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you end to the back there. I think that was 4 sixes. The next 4 sixes, we just ended back, and we work through with that left leg. It's going to point towards where we're traveling. Arm is going to swing through. Swing. 1, 2, 3. Baby in the air, catch the baby. And then we chasse back. 4, 5, 6. And we end up in a horse arch. So the arms are going to swing through. And then they keep going that same direction behind you towards where we're traveling to end up down. Right? And we are doing a chasse going backwards. Right? We rush through. 1, 2, 3. Horse arch. 4, 5, 6. From here, next 6 is a little difficult. We have 2 PKs. We have 1, 2, down 3, cross in front with that right leg, 4, 5, 6. I lied. It's actually 1, 2, and 3. You go through a second position, 4, 5, and 6. So there's an action on every single count. So we go PK, step, step, PK, step, step. The arms, good luck. After we finish here, they go the same direction in the left arm. So, or the arm to the front of the room. Arm to the front of the room is going to backstroke on that chasse, and then it keeps going up for that next part. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. The leading arm is on top, and then they reverse. 4, 5, 6. All right, and now the arm that's traveling is on top, leading arm is on the bottom. Okay. From here, we're going to twist towards where we came from. You're going to roll back the arms, right? So from here, we're going to twist to a forced arch, roll back the arms, you're going to do a body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have a whole 6 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like you're balancing a marble on your body, and then you let it go on count 6 by sitting into the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From there, what did I do? Oh yeah, I lied, it's only 3 counts, so that might help some of you. So after we finish, whoop, where we go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After we finish here, it's just 1, 2, 3. There has to be an accent on one, though, with the head and the shifting of your body. 1, 2, 3. We're going to swing down. 4, 5, 6. Again, the focus there is the release. Like, don't fight for a perfect attitude. It's literally just like, pull the legs up, okay? So from here, 1, 2, 3. We go 4, 5, 6. We switch to the other side and the arms scoop under now. So the first one, they go back. The next one, we switch, and they're gonna scoop under to go 1, 2, 3. From here, the back leg does not step, all right? It's going to swing back, and it is flex, and there is a suspension for 3 counts. Okay, so from the concrete, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, swing, 5, 6. And the last part. So after we swing through, swoosh, back stroke again, step, step. Arms are gonna come down and under. All right, we're gonna do what's called, I think it's called a monkey cross. So from here, both arms are gonna go on the ground. And from here, you're gonna pull the leg that's in the back or where you came from up to passe. All right, right when that leg comes up, boop, your left leg comes up. So it's going to go right, left, and then your left leg extends, all right? Or the leading leg extends. So the legs are doing the same thing, it's just opposite. The leg that's in the back, it's straight and then it passes. The leg that's in the front, it passes and then it stretches. So we go pop, pop, step. And you should be stepping down with the leg that's in the back, all right? That'll take a whole 6 counts. So from here, 4, 5, 6, we go down, 1, 2. All right, your left leg, there should be weight in your left leg before you start this. 4, 5, 6. From here we come up, 1, 2, 3. There's weight in the leading leg, and we're reaching up. We swipe back, 4, 5, 6. All right, so the hips go to where we came from, swoosh, to the back of the room, to where you're going, and then they switch back to where you're coming from, and you push off. So 4, 5, 6, 1, and then you just run